type of woman. I'm that type of woman. I'm that type of woman. Listen, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman. The type of woman that'll go out and get it. And I ain't with that shoo-shoo and all that gossiping. Ain't worried what's in your pockets. I'm just minding my business. You see, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's a Monday, the 1st of December. Happy December. So I want to clean the old couch because it needs to go. It needs to go. We are selling it, so I just need to make sure that it's clean, there are no molds, yeah, before anyone takes it. So yeah, I guess from there then we start properly cleaning the house, the living room, the bedrooms. I'm just going to do what I can because I don't have a vacuum, and the carpets in the bedrooms need a vacuum, but I'm just going to do the best that I can. Then I'm going to do my TV stand decor, put the new rug on the floor, pick organize the ensuite bathroom. Then later on, if I still have the strength, I need to fold some clothes. Guys, it's a whole lot, okay? It's a lot. Preparing to host is a lot, but yeah. So let's clean the couch. This is the couch. I've already put bicarb of soda, and yeah, let's clean it. I guess let's clean this couch. Yeah, I don't have a proper tripod for you guys, so let me put you here. You won't really see what I'm doing, but let me just put you here. Okay.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you. Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you.
sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
Can I please get an espresso?
Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled around, the snow was falling down, everything decked in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring.
Okay, Boomer.
And he said, you've been good, but I won't lie, the fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it, just open up your heart and sing it. Oh, oh, oh. I didn't even ask for things on my wish list, 'cause all I need this Christmas is your love and attention. So pass me my coat and let's get on the road. We can cut down a tree and some hot cocoa drinks. The roads might be icy, but who gives a bleep? And then December rolled around, the snow was falling down, everything decked out in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring.
Okay, Boomer.
And he said, you've been good, but I won't lie, the fire of Christmas spirit has died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it, just open up your heart and sing it. Open up your heart, go out, sing it.
Listen, I know we all like being on our phones all the time, but I think we need a reality check. And some of us definitely need to check our screen time. I have no room to talk, but can we go back to the old days and actually enjoy the holidays?
8:30, so it's much later on in the day. I've cleaned my house, I fed baby boy, but me and the dad had started. But I want to go to macro real quick, get a vacuum cleaner, some pots, and then come back and then ndopa chabika. So yeah, let's go together. Hey guys, so I left macro because the one that they had was way above my budget. It was way above my budget, so my husband then sent me a text saying game is running a special on that particular one, so I had to quickly rush to the mall to get that one. So yeah, also it's good because I also wanted some pots here, so he would be the one stone. So yeah, let's go.
Moving on. One of the things that makes this market so controversial is the live animal component. Well, also the dog meat, I guess. Behind me is a seafood section with plenty of live animals and some dead animals too. We're gonna try to film it, but we're not sure if we're gonna get kicked out. Let's see what happens. 안녕하세요. So this is a live turtle section right here, and then right here.
I hope you guys can hear me because yeah. So I want to unbox this vacuum cleaner. It's from Genesis because my bedrooms have carpets and now they're quite dirty. So yeah, instead of just getting these services from someone, we decided to get this like huge vacuum cleaner. It said to wash and dry at the same time, so I really hope it does exactly that. So I don't have anywhere to place you guys, so I'm just going to unbox because yeah, it's big. It is big. So this is the Genesis, what do they call it? Genesis Clean Master. Yeah, Genesis Clean Master. That's the name of this vacuum cleaner. So I guess this is the pipe. Then this is where the water and shampoo goes. This is part of the handle. And this is what you use on the floor. Yeah. So yeah, there is no user manual whatsoever in this box. So it is said that it's a Clean Master with multifunction 4-in-1, powerful all around for the home cleaner to wash or dry your carpets, hard floors, upholstery, as well as cover your daily vacuuming needs. Washes and dries your carpets, hard floors, good for cleaning every day, wet and dry accidents, low 76 dB noise on low setting, easy to use, removable detergent tank, stainless steel telescopic vacuum pipes, durable top quality wheels, large capacity dust tank, washable dust cover filter. So yeah, that is the vacuum cleaner. So let's see, we are supposed to have How many attachments in total? 8 attachments in total. But I don't see, maybe they're already fitted in, I don't know. But we're supposed to have 8 attachments in total. But I don't know how to set it up now. Let me call the man of this house so that we can set this thing up. Babe, come. This window, I did not clean it when I cleaned the others, so now I need to go and clean it. I need to go and clean my I wanted to go and clean the next room, my bedroom, our main bedroom, but my husband is in a meeting. He's in that room now because he's now using the bedroom as his office now, because we'll be hosting some people and they'll be in this room. So yep, I can't go and vacuum now because he's in a meeting. So let's use this time to go and clean this window. It won't take much time, it's just but I won't film it for you guys because I filmed already. Remember, I filmed did you clean my window the last time? So this time I'm just going to film for Instagram. Okay. So my honest opinion and review about the Verimac Genesis vacuum cleaner is it's a solid 9 out of 10. I don't like that I have to bend. That's one thing that I don't like about this vacuum cleaner. When I am sucking out the water, you have to bend. I don't like that. But overall, it's a 9 out of 10. I love it. I would highly recommend it. If you want to clean your carpets, clean and dry, this is the perfect go-to. Okay, and it can also clean your couches, guys. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. Please note, this is not a paid partnership. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm just stating my honest opinion. Okay, yeah. This room is done vacuuming, so it's a little bit wet, so wait for it to dry. So now I'm going to make some breakfast and continue after that. Also, I need to put up then I need to change the bedding in this room. We'll do that after I've rested after Tambuchka for a while. Then we shall continue after that. You roasting season.